Good day, sir. I'm Kian Katibo from STEM 1911, and I'm going to discuss to you the application of first law of motion in equilibrium as used in physics. Any objects or system of objects can either be in equilibrium or not in equilibrium. So let's suppose our objects are in equilibrium. That basically means that there is no net force acting on that object. Our net force along any direction is zero, and that means our object is not accelerating in any direction. So there is two types of equilibrium that can be differentiated whenever we're talking about equilibrium in physics: static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. Now let's begin with the static equilibrium. Static simply means stationary. So our object is not moving when it is in static equilibrium, and two things must be satisfied for our object to be classified in static equilibrium. First and foremost, translational and rotational velocities are zero, meaning there is no velocity, there is no moving in cyclical pathway, or simply means our object is not moving at all. Second is there is no net force acting upon its object, simply means it has zero acceleration. For example, I sketch tape on the top of the book. It is in static equilibrium because its velocity is zero, its acceleration is zero, and our object is not rotating. Now let's go to dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is like a static equilibrium. The net force on the object is zero, but it differs from static equilibrium in the following way. Translational or rotational velocities are exist, but is constant. For example, of dynamic equilibrium is simply moving objects, like cars moving in a constant velocity in the same direction. So if the car is moving at 100 meters per second, that means our velocity will not change, it will be constant. So our net force on the object along any direction is zero. Static equilibrium is a valuable analysis tool, and dynamic equilibrium is one of the most important aspects of study because its existence can be observed in the smallest cell within the body to the huge adversities of the nature. And also, it can be used in our future courses and carried in many different ways. That's all. Thank you.